Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout videos and stretching videos for figure skaters, but also for people who are not figure skaters and just want a good workout and stretch. So today I'm going to do a nice little ballet routine, but just the arms, and this is just going to help with increasing and improving your gracefulness on ice, or if you're not a skater, just in general. It's nice to be a little elegant with the movements. So that's what the focus is today. It's a very quick video and it just helps you to improve on your posture, your arm movements, and yeah, your all-around elegance. So let's get to it. We're just going to start off with a quick little warm-up for the shoulders and just to kind of get coordinated with the shoulders. So first, just starting off with some nice shoulder rolls going back, nice and slowly here. So we're not going very quickly through this movement. And also trying to create a nice fluid movement already with this shoulder movement. So we feel what slow movement feels like. And now going forward, same thing. Good, last one. And now we're just going to bring our shoulders all the way up to our ears, so not a very pretty position, and then all the way down so that you feel a little bit of pressure here. Going up and down. Up and down. Feeling a nice lengthening sensation in your neck whenever you pull the shoulders down. One more time. Now hold your shoulders down. Again, feel this lengthening sensation from here to the base of your neck or the top of your neck, and just holding for a moment. Feel like somebody's stretching you with a string that's attached to your head. And then let it go, shake it out a little bit. And now we're just going to bring our shoulders forward, head down, curving in that spine. And then we're going to bring our shoulders back, really squeezing the shoulder blades together here. And then again, bringing it forward, bringing it back, forward, and back. Two more times. And then we're going to hold as well here. Last one. Now hold with your shoulder blades squeezed together, pushing that chest out slightly. Breathing here. And then release. Shake it out again. And now we're just going to do a little bit of neck and head movements to get used to moving our head with the movements of our arms. So we're just going to start with going to the side and to the other side. And just switch. Switch. Now we're going to look to the side and switch here as well. And now we're going to go down with our head and up, down and up. And come back to center. Good. Now we're just going to start with those arm movements, just making sure that whenever you're lifting your arms up, we don't bring the shoulders up with us. We try to keep them a little bit down every time the arms lift up. So just try to keep that in as a goal for the workout here or video here. So just stand however you want to. We're just going to start off with a slow movement. I like to call them baby swan arms, but we can call them whatever we want. And we're just going to bring our arms up to our shoulders and then slowly down. The palms are facing down the whole time in this movement. You're stretching your arms here and then slowly bending the elbows as the arms come down. When we meet at center with our hands, you can take a nice little wave, as you can see. We're gonna be doing 20 of these because it's not so difficult. Good, last one, and then we have 10 more. Now take this moment to really follow your movement, so looking towards one side, then the other side. And that's just gonna give a little extra effect to your movement, and it gives feeling to your movement. So people can connect with you, you can connect with the movement, and you just look like you're enjoying that movement as well. And now we're going to add another movement to this, so go ahead and just go to the shoulders again. Now we're just gonna go really high with those arms and then slowly down. So again, just to your shoulders, then down, going all the way up. Again, keeping those shoulders down whenever you lift the arms nice and high. And we stretch those arms up, slowly bending the elbows down. That gives that nice soft effect to the movement. And again, let's follow the movement, looking up, down, looking towards one side, down, looking up, down, looking towards that other side. And then just keep repeating. Or just do your own little unique movement. If you want to look somewhere else, which is still following the movement, go for it. 2 more. And just take your time through this movement. There's no rush. Last one. And now we're just going to bring our arms forward, then down, then at a diagonal with our arms. So one is forward, one is back at a diagonal. Again, forward with the arms, and then the other side. Okay? So the arms are like so, stretching forward, then that nice soft elbow bend when we come back. And same thing, stretch, soft elbow bend as the arms come down. Forward, down, diagonal, down, forward, down, diagonal, down. Now looking down, looking a little bit diagonal or forward, then looking diagonal towards that front arm, like you're reaching for something with your head and your neck. Good. Keep going. Every time we do these movements, we also have our index finger pointing up. So make sure that index finger is slightly lifted away from the other fingers, and your middle finger and your middle finger up to your pinky finger are pretty much together. Yeah, so you don't want to have your fingers separated. That's going to give it a little bit of a not so polished look. And we have a visitor here. If you're wondering what happened to her tail, she had a little bit of a poopy disaster, so we had to shave it off because it just had a little bit of, yeah, you know. So her beautiful long bushy tail will grow back eventually, but it looks a little sad at the moment. Good, last 2. And last 1. And release. Good. Now we're going to do kind of a wave with our arms to the side. Slowly down. Other side. And then we're going to take a full circle. And we're always doing the same side with that circle for 5 times. and switch. And big circle around with those arms. Stretching the arms, slowly bending them. Stretch, slowly bend. Big circle around. 2 more times. And again, looking to the side, then following your circle. And to the side, to the side. This is our last circle, and then we're going to switch to the other side. So we go 1, now to the other side, and now we take that circle around to the other side. Don't worry if you didn't do that correctly, just switch to the other side. Nothing has to be perfect here. And looking to the side, looking upwards. Last 2. And last circle. Good. Come back to center, and just 10 times we're going to bring our arms into 5th position. Open, flip the hands, little wave down, and again, nice port de bras with those arms. Just let everything be nice and soft here. And again, following your movement, looking downwards, then looking upwards, either up or a little bit to the side upwards. Keep those shoulders down each time you lift the arms high up. Thinking about a nice long neck here as well. 4 more. And maybe add a little smile to your face. Just really enjoying this movement, because if you are enjoying this movement, other people also enjoy watching you enjoy that movement. So, last one, and release. Shake out those arms. Just nice little shake out, and we'll take a quick little stretch, and then you're gonna be finished. So, bring that arm to the side, other arm goes under, and we just pull that arm slightly, and just breathing in and out here. Letting everything go. Then release, other side. And release, last stretch, grab your elbow, bring it back and behind. Then release, other side. And then just bring your hands down. Let's just grab our fingers and palms together. Sorry, this is the last stretch. And we're just gonna stretch the arms back, pushing that chest out. You can look up a little bit. And then release. Great job, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I really hope it helps you on the ice. I hope it helps you with your graceful movements. It takes practice, and it will come. So, thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!